Safa and Bafana are useless. Yabona emhlabeni kune useless bese kune Safa. Mase sithi Safa kahle kahle kuthi sakuthuka sithi soweqile ngoba useless elifeini. Angunderstand ukuthi kanjani iBafana ama player wabo bangabi nama visa. And now bekumele bahambe on Saturday and then manje abakhona ngokuhamba because ama visa wabo abaphumanga. Now they left today. It doesn't make sense to me. Safa president is useless. Yabona uDenny Jordan useless akasuka lapha kulento aseSafa abuyelele ku politics ayoba imeya yase Eastern Cape or something because le ayenza lapha ku Safa ayikho bafethu. I've never seen into abantu aba disorganized njengabantu beSafa nabantu that are behind Bafana. You look at someone ofana nelo you look at something efana nale yenzeka ku Tebogo Mokoena. Everyone in Safa knew bebazi abantu bebafana ukuthi uTebogo Mokoena une yellow card bahamba bayomdlalisa. We almost didn't qualify for the World Cup because of their mistake. And then say relax, I hope it's okay, maybe things are better, things will change manje. Things are getting worse. uDenny Jordan useless. iSafa useless. Ayikho indaba yeSafa, ayikho into abayenza. The only thing going right for Bafana so far ikite yabo. That's the only thing that's going right for Bafana right now. So the biggest issue that I have with Safa is the fact that whoever is responsible lapha management yabo for organizing things and making sure things go ngendlela and go in order, loyo muntu loyo akawenza umsebenzi wakhe. Another issue that we have about Denny Jordan are focused on the wrong things. I think Safa needs a president efana no Dr. Ivan Khoza. Dr. Ivan Khoza would do a stellar job lapha ku Safa. Dr. Ivan Khoza, look at the PSL. Look at the PSL season in season out kuhlala kune sponsor ku PSL. Look at the number of trophies or lama competition, domestic competitions ezranwayo ku PSL. Makumele iqale nge8 iqala nge8, makumele iphela nge12 iphela nge12. There's order ku PSL. So I think maybe Dr. Ivan Khoza bafethu should consider running iSafa 14. And also I blame lento yabo yokuthi bahlalile isikhathi eside banga announce isquad sabo bazo announce isquad sabo 2 days before they had to leave. That's where the problem started. If I did say last time, if ama player azile saskhathi when the league was still going on ukuthi yazini bafethu sizoya World Cup, I'm sure their respective clubs would have helped. Orlando Pirates, I'm so big, but if let's say ama player Pirates lawa shota ngama visa cause abasitshelanga ukuthi abobani, maybe Pirates bezokwazi ukubasiza on time ama player wabo ukuthi all our players going to the World Cup apply ama visa izinto zabo zibe sorted on time. You understand? So manje lo muntu lona wakuSafa longa organizing izinto zabo ngesikhathi cabanga umhlaba wonke mawubheka iBafana ubheka eSouth Africa uthini. Like saba uhlazo lungaka in front of all Africans. Si joke manje kuhlekwa ngecountry yethu. We should be celebrating, being happy ukuthi Bafana qualify the World Cup bayahamba bayodlala amajita, but instead of that sihleli lana siloke busy sa complain. I just saw a statement manje from SABC Sport. uHelman Mkhelele yena akahambanga with the team. uHelman Mkhelele akahambanga cause yena self ivisa yakhe ayiphumanga. The head of security uMdumbatha akahambanga neteam. Bogada obana amajita le. So labantu beSafa ba useless. We don't have a president lapha ku Safa. Actually thina asinayo association yebhola la South Africa because nje izinto zeSafa ziyalena. The biggest issue ilento yokuthi there's Safa and then there's the PSL. Why lezinto lezi zingahlangani zibe into A1? Then there will be structure. Why zingaranwa umuntu oyi1? iFederation yebhola yase England iranwa umuntu oyi1. Iranwa iparty A1 akunale ukuthi PSL ileague le so lezinto lezi bafethu iyabhora lento lena. So this is a very big issue. And I want to talk about the game against Nicaragua. That was such a funny game to watch. That was the funniest game I've ever watched. Again, Bafana going to the World Cup without a striker. Lyle Foster sekahlula ukore penalty against goalkeeper ongaziwe emhlabeni, against the country engaziwe emhlabeni. Mina bengazi nokuthi kune country abayibiza Nicaragua. I only knew of Nicaragua now khona manje ngoba bebadlala neBafana. Lyle Foster ayikho indaba yakhe. That guy is finished. Lyle Foster ayikho indaba yakhe. Ngishilo last ngathi Lyle Foster makaya le into ayoyenza lesiyobona nje umuntu olwayo ugijima phansi phezulu enza izinto ezinga angazazi. I don't understand how he missed leya penalty leya. Sikhuluma ngomuntu odlala in the biggest league in the world. Ubhekane no keeper that's not known. When uyaziwa uLyle Foster waziwana se-England bafethu. Abo Mo Salah bayamazi uLyle Foster. Abo ama-Queen wase-England abo bani bayamazi uLyle Foster because bekadlalela iBurnley. Mangithi nyambheka lapha uLyle Foster take the penalty on the spot Gelegete ushayipala and then Bafana plays a goalless draw nale country le, and then you are telling me ukuthi Bafana is ready for the World Cup. You are telling me ukuthi Bafana is going to do well at the World Cup. Nitro and country swakso. And I don't understand Hugo Bruce's statement magazothi la country lana played negative football. Bafana played positive football but couldn't win. If anyone played negative football, it's Bafana because they couldn't win. La country lana had a lot to gain from playing a draw Bafana. They had a lot to gain. Labantu labana bazokhuphuka kuma FIFA ranking wabo ukuthi babambi country ekuma 60s or like one Bafana. And Hugo Bruce kule game leyana he doesn't play lama player wakhe lawo bekumele esaziyo ukuthi vele uzowadlalisa ngeWorld Cup. Sizwa abantu ke bathi hi he's resting those players. Now my question is, what's the point of the game ke? What's the point of the game? If that game is not important to you, if that game is not going to contribute to my preparations wakho, why play the game? Why host the game? Why niphazamisa iMamelodi Sundowns on a day la iMamelodi Sundowns iyo bekumele ithole shine sonke bekumele sibhekelele yona iMamelodi Sundowns nina nehamba niyo draw ne country ngaziwa nehamba niyo draw ne country singayazi nokuthi isuka kuphi. That's useless mos. That's useless man. Hugo Bruce bafethu simtshelile from when he announced isquad sakhe simtshelile Hugo Bruce ukuthi these are the players eswafuna, but because he's an arrogant man, because utsibinki unolwazi yena unalento ukuthi mina I know it all, bheka kwenzakalani manje. If they failing to play against ama country amancane bazoyenzani le Mexico? It's not that in Mexico yakona na intswembu ngoba ngazi abantu babazelani, but against Bafana yeah bangaba a stronger team. So you look at someone like uSamkelo Kabini bafethu uyaphi esquadini uSamkelo Kabini kunini isicomplaina ngayo lento lena bafethu. Man, alright. So ayikho indaba yaka Hugo Bruce, ayikho indaba yaka Lyle Foster. I don't even know where he's taking Lyle Foster. Lyle Foster bafethu bekumela sidlalele la ekhaya or azos join la studio for watch along sibekelele na game, because ayikho into ayoyenza lapha ku World Cup. If uhlula ukora against ama team amancane so but is playing against abo Man United, abo Chelsea, abo Liverpool, abo Arsenal ama champion. Maqeda lapho playing against it. I don't even think kune player liwani kule team leya eldala in a big league. I don't think there's a single player from that team that plays in the big league. But Bafana couldn't penetrate that team. It's concerning like South Africa lento lena of struggling to break a low block. It started the Orlando Pirates. Ihlulekile ukubreak a low block at Durban City. Bahluleka also penetrate past the low block ye Orbit College. Now Bafana is experiencing the exact same thing. Bafana is experiencing the exact same thing. This thing of teams not depending on a number 10. Esikhathini esiningi yiyo le ibuye yenzakale babuya labantu laba babe exposed. I don't even know what Themba Zwane was doing in that game kwayena. Angiyazi nethu Themba Zwane naye bekayenza, but yeah no bafethu. I'm really worried about our country. I'm really worried about Bafana playing lapha in Mexico. Angazi mina machita ukuthi bayodlala kanjani. They've left on the 5th bane game mele badlale ne Jamaica. Is it even gonna happen? Asaz bofika bakhathela amajida bofika ba jet lag like izinto zebafana khona manje ziyalena le asiyazi ukuthi yini lento le eyenzakalayo. So yeah bafethu, I don't think Bafana mina izoyenza kahle. I don't like what Hugo Bruce did. Lento lena yenzile also against that team. He played negative football for me na, because if you're gonna start a game ne ngestriker owaziyo ukuthi angeke aza kukorele igoal in that match, then you clearly don't want to win. He could have started with Ikram Reyners ahead of Lomfana Lono Lyle Foster. He could have also benched uThemba Zwane and started Ngorilebohile Mfukeng. Attack the game is sasuka, so that second half masifuna ukurelax asibe composed, then izinto zizohlangana. But as it seems Hugo Bruce is on a mission to destroy reputation eBafana. ISAFA is also on a mission to destroy igama lethu emhlabeni wonke jikelele. SAFA doesn't respect us as a country. SAFA doesn't respect us as lovers zebhola elihle. ISAFA is suffering, and ayikho into abayenzayo khona manje siyafa phansi kwesandla seSAFA. Ayikho into that they doing for our football. Next thing sizoza bathi ama player wakaholu ungathi ngukutshelanga. So sekuthiwa ama player wakaholu, don't say I didn't tell you. Last icoach ebanyana manyana ihambile ayodlala iAFCON angana contract. That's SAFA for you. That's SAFA for you. South African Football Federation, whatever association. No.